أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
ولا تصل على أحد منهم مات أبدا ولا تقم على قبره إنهم كفروا بالله ورسوله وماتوا وهم فاسقون.
You are never to pray over any one of them who dies, nor are you to stand at his graveside. They rejected Allah and his messenger, and died while they were sinners.
ولا تعجبك أموالهم وأولادهم إنما يريد الله أن يعذبهم بها في الدنيا وتزهق أنفسهم وهم كافرون.
Do not let their possessions and their children impress you. Allah desires to torment them through them in this world, and their souls expire while they are disbelievers.